thank you very much. Thank you very much, Christian and PJ, for that wonderful serenade. So now we are getting towards the end. We are almost at the end. We're just waiting for the final tabulation, for the final result. Who will be our second, our first, and who will be our first ever Ginang ng Pilipinas PSA 2022. So ay pinipagod na ang lahat. Kaya bilisan na sana po na. Joke lang. Joke lang. So yun na po, alam po ginagawa naman nila lahat. Lalo po si Tito Bernard. We should thank Tito Bernard for the tabulation with Mr. Oni and Mr. Ed Swaki. Also our sounds and lights with Mr. Isong Amante. Our floor directors, Mr. Luis Bertis. And also, siyempre, mapasalamat natin yung mga candidates a while ago. Kahit hindi na sila nakapasok.
Marami pa tayong natartib.
They were able to share their stories.
Hangirin ko po ba
Touch our lives. And this is something. Ito po, sa nakikita ko po lang, pinakonfirm na lang po ng CEO sa ating panel of judges sa final results. So, kinukuha na lang po yung signatures nila. At syempre sa ating mga sponsors, Mr. Isong, please play video of our sponsors. Because without them, walang event na ganito. Ayan po.
Next are following sponsors: Al Jazeera and company agency Central War Vehicles. With more than 150 locations points of sale across the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Philippine Airlines, the flag carrier of the Philippines. The heart of the Filipino shining through. Front row Saudi, the undefeated, the front row. Bahrain, Camina del Farah. Experience authentic Filipino food at its finest. Unichar Manufacturing Industries Limited. Manufactures products for living Lays Restaurant. Providing quality food service for all identities. Jawad Manpower Institute. Grind all day. Wear confident. Wear grind all day play. One of the phenomenal online sellers in the Filipino community. I'm Festina Online Shop. A UPC original scent by Amoy Lavender Signatures. Costa Dental Clinic.
Thank you so much to our valued sponsors. And maybe not are my co-host, Jihan and Leo. Now, just for the information of everybody, kaya po medyo natagalan tayo is because nagkaroon po ng tayo. nag-tie po yung first game. Nag-tie po yung winner. That's why our judges needs to break it kaya nagkaroon po ng deliberation a while ago. But, I think they have already made their decision. He's been informed that the judge's decision is final. Well, may we have the results now?
Let's welcome the CEO of SK Productions, Mr. Rani Pasal.
Now we will first award our second runner-up.
Second runner-up was Stash from King Giga by VO and 2000.
Will be given by Ms. Maria Gamit, Shani Marina Leyman Chavez, Engineer, Mr. Noel Ras, Saimi Juliu, and Mr. Hassan Abdul Nabi.
Guys, are you ready? Ginang ng Pilipinas, Saudi Arabia 2022 second runner-up is... Ginang number 6, Pangasinan.
A Fly Scholarship and 3,000 SAR cash. And for our winner ng Pilipinas 2022 winner, she will receive a sash, crown, 5,000 SAR, air ticket, Manila, Riyadh, Manila, Riyadh. For Philippine Airlines, a scholarship from C5, a bouquet, ISDC full scholarship, additional 2,000 SAR from Romanco, and premium package from Romanco.
So total 7,000 Oh, thank you so much for your valued sponsors. Now guys, we will announce the winner. Uulitin ko ang sasabihin at i-declare namin ay yung winner na mismo. Kung sino po yung hindi matatawag, automatically siya yung first runner-up. Okay? I will just, siguro it's about time, nag-tie kayo kanina. Nag-tie kayo kanina and the judges needs to break it. And now they have made their decision. Once again, their decision is final. Okay? Riyadh, our ginang ng Pilipinas, Saudi Arabia 2022 is...
Again, I would like to say thank you so much, beautiful people, for staying with us. Thank you, sponsors. Thank you to my SE family. Salamat po. Grabe ang ginawa ng SE. Grabe. And sa mga nag-stay program, thank you so much. Our host, sound system, guest performers, thank you so much everyone. Kung wala ko, nabanggit para sa lahat na lang po, bakit walang ano.
Okay, for the last time, once again, our ginang ng Pilipinas, Saudi Arabia 2022 is... Bilibina, Saudi Arabia. Congratulations, Ginang number 9, Negros Occidental, Unilal Calvo. Now may we have all our winners in front, our second runner-up, our first runner-up, and our leader in Saudi Arabia. Please go in front for our picture taking. All our winners. Go in the middle, please, together.
A big congratulations once again.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, on behalf of SC Production, thank you so much